Go to Google Plus. Do you have Google Plus with your Republic email? What? Yeah, it's the screen share. Here, let me just add what's your AP here, Tyler?
AP.PIRZ.
AP.
AP.PIRZ. There it is right there. On the top one. Go back. Some more. That's me.
I still don't have you, though. I invited you.
Uh-oh. I'm there.
I made one. You made one. I made one that you should have gotten a call for. Here, let me send you another invite. I'm sending it to your Gmail. So you get it? Gmail? Should be like...
Yeah. I did not join yours. I'm watching your screen right now.
You are?
Yep, I'm seeing everything you're doing.
Cool. It doesn't show up for me that you're here.
I mean, that's what you're doing, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, Fazad is there.
I'm not even getting it.
Let me try that one for you. What's your Gmail? Try that. Are you logging in Gmail?
Yeah, I put that up.
Ben.Todd. Check it out. It's in chat.
Oh, there you go.
You got it? Great. Thank you. Perfect. Virgin, I still don't have you on here. I don't know what's happening. I can see Fazada's screen, which is the one person screen that I don't. There you are. Now go to the screen share button.
Oh. Got it. Fine. You good for me?
Yep. Ben, have you got it yet? To your Gmail?
I got the invite. Alright, I'm here. Where's the screen share button?
It's a green button. Third down left corner. There you are, Ben. And then just go back to work. You can just minimize that out. It's awesome to screen share somebody who's hit the customer. Have you hit the screen share button?
Oh, I have to.
There it is. There it is. Okay.
What am I not doing?
Oh man. Yeah. None of the things working, is it?
Could you make sure I'm dialed everything correctly?
No, the off-key singing is bothering me. Oh, interesting. I don't want a prompt. I want a text field. It's a requirement. You need to make 2 input text fields. What?
You didn't say anything, so maybe it's not.
None of your code should be working right now. None of your JavaScript should be working right mistakes that I made. So Ben, I see you've got an ID for the text field.
Yeah,
So fix that first, and then yes. And then I just emailed you a link that you should read.
Okay.
It's reviewed from the last session, so skim over it. It'll jog your memory about how to select items by ID. Jason.
Yeah, I'll just leave that on that. I'm going to make a second.
About what?
About this little Java script.
Sure. Right now, if you want.
Okay. Okay. So kind of the story here is that I'm not.
Right.
I'm like reading a book, doing the practice station.
Right.
So I'm struggling with I understand it. And it also feels like since I'm not doing it right now, and that's for the rest of the year, I've looked at our books, like spoken people for the rest of the year. Like, it doesn't feel like the most productive thing. So I was wanting to, this is what I was going to say, sure. Maybe think of some ideas, see if like, still want me to keep working through JavaScript with all of us, or if there are other things that might be more beneficial to me to get where I need to be, to what I might typically going through for the rest of it.
Yeah. So there's three things there. The first of which is, you already have students that need enrichment. Right? You have students that have kind of hit their ceiling with the content, that are looking for opportunities to push further. And I feel like part of my responsibility to those students is to make sure you're empowered to push further. And the next step beyond what you're doing is this.
Okay.
And so I don't want you to not be able to provide nutrition for high performing students because you don't have the content knowledge to do so. Secondly, the work that we're doing scratch is foundational for them to do it. Next year, your students that you have right now start here. And so I want you, as you are writing and generating content, making analogies and content for yours about what they're doing right now, to have the context of what the next step is. That doesn't necessarily mean that you need to be building published web apps, but to be able to know what a loop looks like in JavaScript, so that then you can explain the context of the loop from scratch, understanding where they're headed. Will give you a foresight that will empower you to make sure that you've got your students in the right direction. Just like as you're driving, you need to see a little bit of where you actually are, so that you make sure you stay on the right path. I'm trying to give you a foresight that is not very far off. Like it was definitely a consideration to do this year as a last unit. And so it's just going to be the beginning of 6th grade for them to start it. I don't want you to not internalize. And I don't want your time wasted. But I also don't want you to not know what your students are about to do. And recognizing that JavaScript is more rigorous than Scratch. I also, aside from even the enrichment factor, depending on what happens next year, with like what grade level or whatever is like the plan for next year, I don't want to get into a position where we're starting to digest content when it's actually like go. You know what I mean? And so I think I think the issue is less if this is a good use of your time and more figuring out how to help you understand why it's a good use of your time and how your independent process of learning can benefit you in a way that doesn't leave you not actually taking in any information. There are some good online modules, like Team Treehouse. I'd be happy to pay to get a Treehouse account if that helps. Code Academy has some good JavaScript modules. And this book is the scope and sequence that our kids are using this year, so it also is a really good piece. Does that make sense? Feel free to push back. I want you to value your time, but I also want you to understand that this is not a far off.
And having you say that does help me a little bit understand around like when I'm just going through it in my mind, it feels like that's
But like even Jesse is doing JavaScript right now.
He says he's not.
He doesn't realize Khan Academy is JavaScript.
That's why I want to like. Yeah. I'm pretty sure you are, because like you were excited, you know,
yeah. He's doing some Khan Academy modules, but the Khan Academy is JavaScript. The Khan Academy modules he's actually at the exact same point right now in the curriculum that 8th graders are at National Prep University. But so I don't want you to be in a position as a teacher, especially not with me helping be responsible for your training, for a student like him or Felix or any other student to say, Mr. Kyle, can you help me? And you say, I don't know how to do that. Yeah. Does that make sense?
That does make sense.
Yeah. Is the stupid mistake still there?
Alright, where is that at? Yeah,
here, pull it under the table and I can get you out. Yes, the mistake is still there.
There we go. So there's one mistake that's ruining my entire JavaScript right
Yep. You want a hint?
No, I don't know that I do.
Well, because you have 14 minutes. Technically 12 because we have
What am I not? I know it's not working, so I know it's not working, but like, what am I not? Because it doesn't matter if I put it in the header of the body.
Okay, I'm giving you a hint. Wait, hit undo. Your mistake's still there.
Oh. It's still there?
Yep. Alright, Merge, pull up your footage. Let me see where you're at.
I'm not.
I know you're not there, but I just said pull it up so I could see it.
There. I'm trying to. What?
I thought that
I need to replace prompt with something. I need to replace the prompt. Right?
You need you need 2 input tags in your HTML. One input tag needs to have an attribute that is text, and the other one needs to have an attribute that is submit.
But they don't have closing tags.
Nope. That's definitely not what's wrong. What does that pound sign mean?
It's an ID.
Yep. Where's your ID tag or attribute?
So this is I tried to look this up. So how do I what's the selector for a value? Or is that?
Yep. There you go. Yeah.
God. I like Googled that and thought maybe I should have just. Oh, that makes me so mad. Is that really gonna work now?
Yep. Kyle, I lost your screen.
Yeah, it's just my computer died.
Got it. Okay.
It's still not working with the alert.
What are you trying to alert?
The name that I picked. Hang on, let me see if values are defined.
Did you talk about National Click? Did you talk about National Click?
Oh.
Yep, that too. Hooray!
No, but it's still not working.
What's not working now?
I don't know. That's my.
What is supposed to happen?
It's add to names, which is an array I've already created, the text and username, login.
Oh, yeah. User, okay. So this is input fields. You don't access their value by text. You access it by the method DAL.
Oh, like that?
Yep.
I think I looked that up. Oh, come on! I've been stuck there for all this stupid reason. Okay, I'm gonna finish.
So, Mike, go back to your code. There must be a lag. Oh, no, wait, I talk loud. I'm going to put myself on mute. It keeps jumping back to my own screen. So you have an input type text ID name, input type submit ID. Okay. What does an ID mean?
Oh, that's an ID name.
Correct. You can never have two elements with the same ID.
Right. Doesn't really matter what it is.
Nope. As long as you're then consistent in your JavaScript. So totally get rid of your prompt. Bar, username, all that. The names array is perfect.
Yeah.
But now you need to get the information from username.
Right.
To get information, you need to do .val. So you're going to use the jQuery selector. Do you have the Sublime back open?
Yeah.
Okay. So both of you are at the exact same point right now. Go to figure out how to get the jQuery selector to call that ID. How do I get that element into JavaScript? Yep, top link. You're in the exact right spot. That's the link that I sent you that you just opened.
Yeah, I was going to say, I've got the link open.
Perfect.
Have a look at it.
I shouldn't look at your screen because you're sitting next to me. That's not.
I was gonna say, it's one of those things. Have you heard the TED Talk about the bomb, the Malcolm Gladwell's I can't remember what it's called, the bomb site, the Nording bomb site.
No,
the
but
tool.
let's talk about it in 9 minutes.
Okay.
Looks like
Oh, nice. You got that.
I can't remember how this
How? No. What is I? What is I?
I0. What do you mean? For
I is account, right?
Right.
What is names?
Oh. Hold on. Oh, you're right. If I equals names. No, hold on. For
Yeah,
if
you're missing something big.
yeah. If no, hold on. If yikes. Okay. If what is the if username dot val equals names equals I. Alert text name goes in. No.
We have 2 minutes left. We got one thing we got to talk about before we're done.
You doing all right? Can I grab
Yeah, can I get a check?
Yes, everyone separate?
yes.
Yes.
Did you get it?
Alright, so how are you set that up? Ryan, look at mine.
I am.
Are you looking at? Is that the right next thing? Line 12.
Looks beautiful.
Talking or not?
No, that's exactly right. That's
Wait,
what-
can I
that's
get the
exact
second one
right.
done?
What?
Okay, so it's just a pound. So,
Oh. I can do that. It's trivial now. Well, I feel like after this part, that's trivial, right? Like
What?
Number 5.
Does it know if somebody is in the list or not?
Yeah, it does. Or you're saying, hold on. Does what now?
Hold on, go back to your tablets. I don't think you're done.
Am I not done?
Like, I need like. I need this.
Oh no, you're not done because you never put the username in the URL.
Oh, whoops. Yeah. Okay, I'll do that.
I need.
Well, no, because we're done. What?
I need to